Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday. It's time for singing. This song is by Richard Ashcroft, who's one of my favourite singers of all time. He originates from Wigan, just down the road from where we are, and this song is called Music is Power. Now, some of you may be thinking, oh, I don't know this one, I'm not bothered about this one. But if you really listen to the lyrics, I think you'll really like it. It's all about how powerful music is and how, it helps us through difficult times. So I felt it would be a really good one to do. Now, just wait, I'm going to readjust my seat. There we go, that's better, isn't it? There we go, that's better. Right, okay, you ready? Have a listen. Listen to the lyrics, okay? And hopefully you will enjoy it. Take care. I hope you're all okay out there. Here we go. Music is power. Let it flow through your mind. Yeah, just like a flower in the deep sunshine. Are you invited to the party of life? Now you decided to live to die. These are wild days we live in, but I know sometimes we all wanna give in. These are strange days we live in, but I know sometimes we all wanna give in. Don't give up, oh no, alright. Let the melody flow all night, all night. 'Cause music is power. It eases your soul, rocking like a cradle. It won't let you go. If the melody is timeless, it won't let you down. Feel the air moving. Submit to the sound in these wild days we live in. Yeah, I know sometimes we all wanna give in. These are strange vain days we live in. Yeah, I know sometimes we all wanna give in. Don't give up, oh no, alright. Let the melody flow all night, all night. After all we go through, the endless crime, the day's good fortune, are things that you find. Music is the mantra, don't wind in your head. Music is the question to the things unsaid in these wild days we live in. Yeah, I know sometimes you all wanna give in. These are strange vain days we live in, but I know sometimes you just don't fit in. Don't give up. Let the melody flow. Don't give up. I let the melody flow. Let the song carry you on, keep you strong. Let the song carry you on, keep you strong. Let the song carry you on, keep you strong. Let the song carry you on, get you strong. 'Cause music is power. Music is power. 'Cause music is power. 'Cause music is power. Hope you like that. Enjoy the rest of the singing assembly. Take care. See you soon. Bye.